Every day, thousands of commercial trucks travel Alabama highways. Well, most arrive safely. Accidents involving 18-wheelers can be devastating. David Greene from Greene Phillips Injury Lawyers is here to discuss why truck accidents can vary on a case basis from car accidents. David, good to see you.
Nice to see you.
So let's talk about this. Why are truck accidents typically more complicated than, say, a regular car accident?
Well, just the weight of the vehicles. There's so many vehicles out there that are so heavy. The drivers sometimes have been over the legal limit as far as their driving time. There's just many different things that go into a truck accident. Most of the time, folks are severely injured. I just received a call on the way in here a second ago of a very severe accident where someone was rear-ended. So these things happen when you're involved in a crash like that. You need an expert. You need people like the lawyers at Greene Phillips.
Yeah, one of the things people try to determine is who's responsible. Who could possibly be responsible in these types of accidents?
Well, there are lots of folks. There are dispatchers that may be responsible. The folks that are actually driving the vehicle, the folks that they're towing for, they're hauling for. So there are many different folks that may be defendants in the case. That's why you need someone that's an expert that knows these things and commonly handles these cases.
And when it comes to driving an 18-wheeler, there's a lot of different things to operate when it comes to that too, correct?
Oh, there's a lot to it. There are a lot, and these folks are professional, but there are some that actually do not do things the right way. Those, i.e. generally, are the folks that wind up in crashes. While they're good operators and good folks that are involved in these businesses, they do cause horrible accidents when they're involved, and that just becomes a major, major problem when folks have these crashes.
Well, those accidents, those problems, those crashes, is there evidence that can be unique to truck accidents?
Well, absolutely. There's downloads. There's data downloads that are available. Many times there's video of the crashes. A lot of these drivers have video that you can actually get. A lot of times they're videos of the crash that are from the scene that are maybe on the roadway that you can get, or other drivers. We get other drivers all the time offering evidence that helps us, and that makes a huge difference.
And I assume we have a lot of video here at Fox 10, but we can't store it all. Acting quickly probably matters, right?
Absolutely matters. You've got to get someone involved immediately. Go ahead and get the lawyers at Greene Phillips. It's so important to get that data. We have former state troopers who are on our staff that have the contacts and access to get the data. Let's get that information and make a difference for you.
So that experience that you're talking about, that can make a big difference in your case.
Absolutely makes a huge difference. Understanding what the lingo is, what the language is, just is a huge difference. If you're just don't go it alone, get a local law firm if you're involved in this type of crash. No matter what type of injuries you have, whether it's catastrophic or just soft tissue, you need someone.
All right, sounds good. If you're thinking about this or want to remember all this information for the future, how can our viewers contact you?
It's very simple. You go to greenphillips.com, fill out the contact form, we'll get right back in touch with you.
All right, sounds good. And we'll have all that information on our website as well.